gonna be doing knotless box braids. And my daughter is very tender-headed, so hopefully we can get through this without it being such a crime, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to pre-part her hair, everything first before I start. So let's go. So I will be using my comb that you can purchase on my site. I will have the link in the description below. So as I stated before, my daughter is very tender-headed, so this is why I want to pre-part her hair first, because this part she hates the most, I believe. She doesn't really like the comb or the combing, the parting on her scalp. She's very sensitive, so this is why I want to get this part done and over with. The product that I am using is called Shine and Jam. I forgot to post the picture in the camera, but that is the product that I'm going to be using, and I will put it in the description. Okay, so I know this video is not super close, but you can see what I'm doing. If you want to learn how to do a freedom braid, I do have a video. I'll put that in the description. But what you want to do is pretty much braid the hair like if you're just normally braiding. And then you're going to add the hair in gradually to the size that you desire. So like I said, go in like you're doing a regular braid. And then feed in the hair. I like to feed in underneath so that it's not detectable. And then I just keep adding until I decide that's the size that I want. And I really like doing knotless box braids, especially for tender-headed or kids, because I feel that it is less pulling than a regular box braid a regular individual that's pulling more. So this one, it won't have so much pain for their hair. So that's why I chose to do a knotless braid for my daughter, especially because she is tender-headed. And this one, I know that it's not going to pull so much of her hair because she's only 5. So this is what it should look like. It's no knot there. It's not like a big old bulb that's pulling the hair. What I did was start off braiding and then just add the hair in. But there's no knot there. There's no big old bulb there. It looked like it's just coming out of her scalp. So that's what we want to do. And that's what I am going to do in the rest of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Just keep watching for the finished look. You see what I mean? This is what I get with doing my daughter's hair all the time. Any little snag, it's over with. The world is over.
My mom is gonna put my beads on, but she's gonna let me take a break.
Okay, we're all done. Let's see. You like it?
Yeah. Subscribe to my mom's channel.
Aw, isn't she the sweetest? Twist it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Okay, let me see.